If you're suffering from tinnitus, you will be so happy you found this video. I suffered from tinnitus for 2 long years before I was finally free from it. I researched every tinnitus cure and treatment I could find, and none of them worked. I actually ended up collaborating with a company, and 6 months and $4 million later, we created the best and only 100% tinnitus cure that currently exists. I am so proud of our product and the hard work that it took to develop it. Now that the clinical trials are in, we can say with 100% scientific certainty that our tinnitus product works to cure tinnitus 100%. You literally have no reason not to get rid of your ringing, buzzing, pops, clicks, and sleepless nights right now. Our product is the most effective and unique tinnitus cure that exists. Our product is made in the USA, we are fully registered with the FDA, and our 7 unique ingredients in our formula are all powerful, natural, and have 0 side effects. Imagine how you'll feel when your tinnitus is finally gone. I know it was one of the best days of my life, and now I can share that with other people. To get your tinnitus relief now, click the link directly below this video that says www.mytinnitusreliefnow.info.